We have 7 amazing, awesome, super beauty hacks for you guys that you're like, oh my god, this is gonna change my life.
Where has this been my entire life?
Right? Okay, hack number 1. You put on nail polish, you wait. No matter what you do, you end up screwing it up.
Yeah, and then you walk out of the place or you walk around
like
and it's like, oh great, I ruined it.
Yeah. It doesn't matter what you do, one way or another, it's gonna get ruined. So one really simple hack is after you put on nail polish, you get ice cold water. It helps if you even have ice cubes in there. You dip your nails inside for 1 full minute. If you can handle 2 minutes, it's even better. And you take your hands out, your nail polish is dry. No more walking around like this. We all need a little refresher when it comes to how white our teeth are because we drink coffee, we drink wine, lots of wine. We drink wine again and then again.
Hashtag wine moms.
Wine moms. So if you want to refresh your teeth, make them look white and clean and stain-free, a simple hack you can do is take a little bit of toothpaste, add some baking soda to it, and you put it basically in like a little foil and you... What is it? Like you kind of like
apply it on your
you like kind of wrap
mouth?
your teeth into it and you can leave that on for like 10 minutes. You take it off, you brush your teeth, and you'll notice it looks visibly whiter.
Yeah.
Eyeliners, they dry up so fast.
Oh
they
my
like
god, the
stab
struggle,
your
it literally
eye.
stabs your eye and then it messes up. It's just a disaster when it's dry.
I'm going to show you guys how to soften your eyeliner so it's easier to apply.
Bring it back to life.
Okay.
So 15 to 30 seconds, if you leave it in hot water and you take it out, it'll soften up and
it'll
bring it back to
on.
life. Yeah.
We all have blackheads. There's no way to escape them. You're going to get them one way or another, but there is a solution. You literally take some school glue. I like the Elmer's one because it's non-toxic. And you take a few tablets of activated charcoal, you mix them up, you apply it to your nose, you wait for it to dry, and you peel it off. It's so similar to those expensive pore strips.
If you want to see a DIY on this, we've actually done a DIY. We'll leave the pop-up link right here, somewhere around here. And it really does work. It's crazy how you see like the little dots.
Yeah, you can see
when it
it's
comes
so
out.
crazy. If you want to make your nose appear thinner, you can literally just take some cream concealer, dip your tweezer into it, and use it as a way to guide
your contour line.
And then start blending out, and you'll see a big difference in how slim your nose is. If you have greasy hair and
dirty hair,
you are out of dry shampoo, don't worry, we have a solution. You can take some cornstarch and if you are brunette, some cacao powder. If you are blonde, very little cacao powder.
You basically mix it up and apply it on your hair and it absorbs the oils, so it buys you a few, like 1 to 2 more days of no shampoo.
The best way to do it is take like a really large powder brush and brush it onto your hair and then actually brush it out with a hairbrush. And you'll notice it'll immediately absorb all the oil. Okay guys, I'm going to show you on Nora's hair, so I'm literally just going to brush it in, and it's okay that it looks very powdery because we're going to brush it out right after. And we're going to brush it all out, get her part back in where it's supposed to be, and voila! No more greasy hair!
I'm ready for tonight.
This next one happens to me all the time. Sometimes I'll be wearing a white tank top or a white shirt and then I'll put it on after I put my makeup on and then I'll get makeup all over the color. And sometimes, honestly, it doesn't come out when you wash it.
No, it doesn't. It's the worst. The colors get yellow and it's just so bad.
So if you want a really simple pre-soak solution, you can put some shaving cream on the actual stain, then throw it in the hamper, and when you throw it into the washing machine afterward to wash it, the stain will be gone.
I had no idea about this. I'm so excited.
Genius. Hopefully these 7 beauty hacks change your life. They changed ours a little bit.
They did.
It's the small changes that really matter.
It's all things you have at home. It is.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.